Mary Mallon, also known as Typhoid Mary, was an Irish-born cook believed to have infected 51 people, 3 of whom died, with typhoid fever, and the first person in the United States identified as an asymptomatic carrier of the disease. Because she persisted in working as a cook, by which she exposed others to the disease, she was twice forcibly quarantined by authorities and died after a total of nearly 3 decades in isolation. Mary Mallon was born in 1869 in Cookstown, County Tyrone, in what is now called Northern Ireland. She migrated to the United States in 1883 or 1884. She lived with her aunt and uncle for a time and later found work as a cook for affluent families. From 1900 to 1907, Mallon worked as a cook in the New York City area for 7 families. In 1900, she worked in Mamaroneck, New York, where, within 2 weeks of her employment, residents developed typhoid fever. In 1901, she moved to Manhattan, where members of the family for whom she worked developed fevers and diarrhea, and the laundress died. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.